everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video, and this time we're going to be doing a beautiful set of pink chrome nails. So the first thing that I'm doing is I'm going in with this bubble bath gel polish by OPI. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite colors as well as one of my clients' favorite color, and we're doing that on the pinky and the ring finger. And then for the rest of the fingers, we're going to be doing the Metallics base by Joya Mia. And basically what that is just a silver base, and then you can do any jelly color. Of course, they do have their jelly colors through their company, but I'm gonna end up using one of mine because I think I only have like 3 of theirs. So I'm gonna be using a pink one by McCart. But again, first you have to do the Metallics base, which is like a silver metallic base. We do that and we do 2 coats, and then we come back and do the jelly color over it, and it's going to give you that chrome look. So I'm going to let this one cure for 30 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other hand. So I've already done the bubble bath, so now I'm just going in and doing the metallics. Again, this is a collection by Joya Mia, so I'll be sure to leave the link in the description as well as the promo code if it still works. I'm not sure if my promo code still works because I know I've had this collection for a while now, but this is metallics, and then the other ones that go with it, I believe they're called, what are they called? I can't remember what they're called, but I'll leave all of that information down in the description. But all of the other colors that you would put over the base are basically just the jelly polishes. So now I'm going to go ahead and go through and do the second coat of this base. And then for the bubble bath, I'm only doing 1 coat of those. Okay, so over that base, we're going to go in with this Crystal Rose Red Jelly Polish by McCart. As you guys know, they sell them in a little kit. I believe it's 6 different colors. And y'all, look at that pink. It's so freaking pretty. It's so bright. And I was not expecting it to look like this at all. But again, you can use any jelly polish over this base, and it's gonna give you that chrome look. And you only want to do 1 coat of the jelly color. So again, 2 coats of the base and then 1 coat of the jelly polish, and then we're gonna cure that for 30 seconds as well. Alrighty, so for the caviar nail, we're going to go in with my IBD gel top coat. We're going to do a thin layer, and then we're going to go in and apply some bling while the top coat is still wet. We're picking up the rhinestones with the wax pencil, just randomly placing them on the nail. And then with a cuticle pusher, I'm just going to pick up that caviar and sprinkle it over the top of the nail, making sure that I turn my client's finger to make sure that I get a full coverage over the entire nail. And then I'm going to come back and just gently like push the caviar into the nail, or not into the nail, but just basically giving our nail that shape. And then for this ring finger, we're gonna go in and just do an ombre. And as you can see, I'm also throwing in a few pink rhinestones, and we're gonna apply a lot around the cuticle area, and then as they get closer to the tip, they're gonna just be scattered around. And as always, for this, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin, my wax pencil, my SS6, my SS12, which will be on my website pretty soon. I know it's been a while since I restocked, but I've been super busy, but I am definitely working on it now, and it will be up really soon. Alrighty, and for the rest of the fingers, we're just gonna do some around the cuticle area. But as you can see, I guess she didn't put this hand under the light, so it wasn't dry, and I had already applied the glue, so I had to go ahead and remove that. And all I did was just use an alcohol wipe, and I wiped off the jelly polish. I'm gonna go in and do another coat of it and make sure that she puts it under the light, because again, it was not cured. So while that cures, I'm gonna go ahead and go over to the other hand. So as you can see, there's still like pink polish in my Mia Secret gel resin, so I just kind of took that off. And we're gonna go ahead and apply the bling on this finger. Again, we're applying it around the cuticle area, just alternating between the different sizes, and also throwing in a few pink ones. And then as they get closer to the tip, they're gonna just be scattered around, and that's gonna give us our bling ombre effect. And then on the pinky, we're gonna go ahead and do the caviar as well. So same thing for this pinky, we're gonna do the caviar. So we're gonna use the IBD gel top coat. We're gonna do one coat of that, and then we're gonna come in and just apply a few rhinestones just randomly on the nail. Once those are on, we're gonna go in and just pick up that caviar with our cuticle pusher and just sprinkle it over the top of the nail, making sure you get caviar over the whole nail. And then after that, we're just gonna push that caviar into the nail just to make sure that we don't lose our shape a lot. And then we're gonna cure it for 30 seconds. But before I cure, I'm going to go ahead and apply the bling around the rest of the nails. So I'm just doing a few around the cuticle area. I do a SS12 in the middle with SS6 around it, and then another SS12, and then just one small one at the end. And again, for this, I use my Mia Secret gel resin. As you guys know, I also use the activator, and it's not mandatory that you use it, but I do feel like it helps a lot with just keeping your bling on a lot longer. So I do really recommend it, but you could just use the Mia Secret gel resin by itself, but it will take a little bit longer to dry since the activator is the one that helps that glue dry. Okay, so I'm gonna let that one cure, and we're gonna go back to the other hand, and we're just gonna go ahead and finish the bling around the cuticle area. Again, we're just alternating between the two different sizes, applying them on the nail with the wax pencil, and then just coming back and spraying the activator once all of the bling is on. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with my top coat, and this is the IBD gel top coat, which is the one that I always use. I know I've been seeing people saying that they've had a problem with it, but I've been using this one for quite a while now, and I haven't had any issues with it at all. I love the fact that they sell the big bottle where you can just refill your smaller one with, and it's just so affordable. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the top coat on all of them. Even on the nail with the caviar, you literally just go in and just gently apply just a little bit of top coat over the entire caviar, and then with your finger kind of just wiping it off. That way, or not necessarily wiping it off, but I feel like it kind of sinks that top coat into the caviar, holding it together really good. And then also, as you've seen, I went ahead and just gently filed the tip of the caviar nail. That way we get our shape back, because if not, it's going to be pretty rough. So again, just gently file it into its shape, and then dust it off, and then apply the top coat. And as you can see, I don't do like a full-on top coat, and then I come back and wipe it off. And again, you're not just wiping the whole top coat off, you're just making it sink in, because if you just leave it on top, it's gonna take away from that caviar effect, and to me it just kind of looks like melted plastic. So make sure that if you do a top coat, you wipe it off. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the nails, and then as always, we cure this for 60 seconds. Alrighty, y'all, so here is the final look, and y'all, they look so freaking pretty. Like, that pink is just so flawless. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNail32, and I will see you guys next time.